Hello, budding artists. Kamran here, ready to lead you through an enjoyable drawing experience. Grab your art supplies, and let's delve into creating a lovely flower together. Start with a simple circle as the center of your flower. Extend petals around the circle, like rays of sunshine. You can experiment with the number and shape of petals to make your flower unique. Now, add details to your petals. Draw lines to give them texture and depth, creating a realistic and captivating look. Don't be afraid to let your creativity bloom. Moving on to the stem, draw a long, slender line extending from the base of your flower. You can add leaves along the stem to enhance the natural feel of your creation. Let your hand flow freely as you sketch the leaves' organic shapes. Now, let's add some details to make your flower even more vibrant. Experiment with different colors for the petals and leaves. Feel free to choose any hues that resonate with your artistic vision. Share your beautiful flower drawings in the comments. I can't wait to see the diverse interpretations. If you found joy in this artistic exploration, consider subscribing for more inspiring drawing adventures. Keep those creative juices flowing, and I'm eager to witness the artistic wonders you'll cultivate with your flower drawing. Until next time, happy drawing!